living. This is Storm Team 8.
We were cloudy, quiet, and dry yesterday. Today it's going to start off similarly, but we are going to start to see that sunshine win out. And in fact, we're already beginning to see that cloud layer give way to sunshine at the northwestern edge of the southern peninsula. So here's the big storm system. You can see it's a pretty massive system stretching very broad area, several states. Let's go ahead and zoom in just on Michigan so you can see where this cloud shield actually is. And if I switch over here, we can actually track this in detail. So give me one moment. There we go. We'll stop it for you. This is moving at about 15 miles per hour, so it's going to take a while. The clouds aren't clearing as quickly as we sometimes see showers move. So Grand Rapids, 2 o'clock, especially if we start to see this edge move on in, might be more like 1:45, 2 o'clock that we have mostly sunny skies. If you live a little bit farther south, you're going to have to wait a little longer. In fact, Kalamazoo has pretty heavy cloud cover right now, as well as Grand Rapids, or excuse me, as well as Battle Creek. So if we track the heaviest clouds, that'll start to move out of Kalamazoo by the time we get to 2, out of Battle Creek by the time we get to 3. But once we get to this cloud layer here, we should start to see some really good breaks in the cloud deck to give us sunshine. So in general today, we're going to see slowly improving conditions, and we're going to see our skies become mostly sunny. Let's go ahead and take a look at visibility though. Clouds aloft are breaking up right now. Clouds on the ground, fog, not that great. Grand Rapids, reduced visibility. Same with places along the lakeshore. South Haven this morning, Holland also reporting some of these reduced visibilities. And that goes for Kalamazoo and Battle Creek as well. As we get into about like the 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock time frame, we should see enough of that sunshine, even if there's a cloud deck, that should break up that fog. So just be careful if you're out on the roads early. Roads should be dry though. Temperatures mid-30s, upper 30s along the lakeshore. Today we're going to top out at the upper 30s. We have winds out of the north. That's going to help to drag down some cooler air, keep us from warming up too much. But we are going to eventually see that sunshine. Notice our winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. So it's going to be a little chilly. In fact, this morning it feels more like the 20s than the 30s just because of that wind. Here's your satellite and radar. If we put the rain on with that cloud cover, you can see it's a pretty potent system giving heavy rainfall just to the south of us. And our next storm system is still all the way over in Montana, right in the lee of the Rockies. Doesn't look like much right now, but as this moves on in, it's going to be a clipper system and it's going to roll through for Monday. So until that gets here, we have all this clear air brought to us by a high pressure system and very quiet northerly winds that should roll on in throughout the day today. So that's why if we look at your 8-day forecast, we have becoming mostly sunny today. We have sunshine for your Sunday, temperatures right around average. Then Monday into Tuesday, we see that storm system roll in. It's going to be a quick mover, but it does have the potential of giving us some accumulating snowfall, especially for areas west of 131, because it looks like this is going to be able to trigger a lake effect event. So the system itself isn't all that impressive, but the lake effect should give us the accumulation. Once we get to Tuesday, we start to clear out again, and then we make way for more sunshine Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But Mark, it has been cold enough for ice jamming. So here's some of those pictures that I, promised. And this is over in Rogers Dam. In Stanwood. This is Mecosta County. I was talking to the emergency manager there yesterday. He said, yep, this is about the time of year we start to see it, but with this mild stretch of weather, it's good to remember that it can start to break up some ice chunks that have formed, start a little bit of ice jamming. No flooding reported at this time, though.
Very good. Something for everybody in the forecast as well. All right. Well,